What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to close your Zelle account. So you want to know how to close the Zelle account, this video is for you. And the first method is to close your account through the Zelle's app. So first thing you want to do is to open the Zelle mobile app on your mobile device, and then tap on the settings or account icon, and then you want to scroll down and tap on account settings or close account. Then you want to confirm that you want to close your accounts by tapping close accounts. Now, all you got to do is just follow the prompts to complete the process. Now for the second method, you can close account through Zelle's website. So what you want to do here is to first log on to the official website and log into your accounts. Then you want to click on settings or accounts. Then you want to click on account settings or close accounts. Then confirm that you want to close your account by clicking close accounts. Then like before, you guys got to follow the prompts to complete the process. Now the third method is to contact Zelle's customer support. So if for some reason you're having issues with the first two methods, you could just use this third one and contact Zelle customer support directly. Now how you're going to do that is to go to Zelle's website, and then you want to click on help or support. Then you can select the contact us option, and you want to fill out the contact form with your account information and a request to close your accounts. Then you want to submit the form and wait for a response from Zelle's customer support. And that's pretty much it. That's how you're going to do that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you found that video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because it helps us out a lot. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.